Make your old scruffed up radiators look new again just by spray painting. Firstly, rub down the area with sanding paper. Make sure also the area is dust free to work on. Now you can spray copper pipes like I have done. They are looking so much better than before. Make sure to cover the flooring and the surrounding areas. To spray paint, I'll be using the Hammerite enamel in satin white. Depending on the condition of the radiator, spray one coat, allow it to dry, then spray another if needed. Do follow the spray can instructions. If you have oversprayed and you can see paint drips, not to worry, leave it to dry, sand off the drip, then paint spray if required. Job done. Take care, peace.